Welcome back. Today, we're taking a closer look at the TS534 compact fixed blade. Crafted from premium D2 tool steel, it undergoes precision vacuum heat treatment, achieving an optimal hardness of 59 to 61 HRC. The blade sports a clean, high-grade satin finish. Outfitted with ergonomic brown Micarta handle scales, it delivers exceptional ergonomics, supreme comfort, and maximum traction. Let's strip down the handle scales to inspect the construction. Built with robust full-tang construction, featuring custom weight reduction skeletonizing. Notice this precision-machined titanium alloy washer, a signature TWOSUN design hallmark that sets our craftsmanship apart. Let's assemble it back together. Perfect fit. Engineered with precise index keying. It comes complete with a custom Kydex sheath, the ultimate lightweight, secure carry solution for outdoor pros. Whether you're performing heavy push cuts, detail carving, or precision slice cuts, or delicate whittling and skinning, it handles every task effortlessly. Let's test its out-of-the-box factory sharpness on paper. Absolute razor-sharp edge performance. The TS534 is currently live on our official auction channel for a limited-time promotional run. Bidding starts at just 99 cents. Don't miss out. Head over to our auction store right now at www.twosun-yanjiang.com to place your bid. Thank you.